is Shirika's sister. So my brother was a young boy and in 11th standard when we got him to the GBN school. Then I told him, chalo, then we'll go to the different tuitions and we'll get the tuitions for you. Firstly, I told him कि maths भी लेना है. He said मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, but I pushed him. I told him commerce का without maths कोई background नहीं है. So go for maths also. He told चलो ठीक है. Then we sent him to several good tuitions, but couldn't perform well. Then finally he got his 11th done, and he was not that good performer in 11th. So he told me कि result है, but he went alone to take his result, and then all of a sudden he got the result and he had very bad marks, so he didn't disclose the marks to us, and he told कि मैं पास हो गया हूँ, I'm in 12th. So we were satisfied. Okay, 11th में इतना marks चाहिए भी नहीं होता. But in 12th, then I pushed him to several good teachers in our Faridabad, but he couldn't perform there also, the ones who were my mentors, and I thought that they will ment him also, but he couldn't perform there also. So all of a sudden in the month of July or August, he told me, Prerna, there is one Pankaj sir near our locality only in C block. So I told him, okay, then I haven't heard about him much, though I have heard, but not that much, that he is so outperformed in his results. But there are renowned teachers who can come out with flying colors. But he told me that I want to go to him because he's very passionate, and he told me something like that which I didn't hear from any teacher in this Faridabad. I told him, okay, then it's your future, decide for your own, because then you don't blame me that I got you, admitted into this area and you didn't outshine. So because he blamed me that I made him in GBN school. So I told him, okay, then you go for that. And I was amazed by Pankaj sir's hard work, calling him in nights and making him teach till 5 in the morning, showing them videos, showing them wonderful pictures like Bhag Milka Bhag. And whenever he used to come home and tell me his experiences, I used to say, is your son fine? Then he used to say, yes, he's very much fine, and he's motivating us. He's bringing our internal will into the work so that we can outshine into our own work. So I was very amazed because it's very rare to find such people on this earth who are working selflessly, who are not working for just money. Otherwise, if you go around, bhai 1200 rupees fees hai, second day hi le aana. If you feel like coming, it's okay. If you don't feel like, it's okay. There are several teachers and names should not be taken, but Pankaj sir was different, and in the mentorship of Mr. Tarun Sharma, he even outperformed, and my brother, my mother was so inspired to attend their sessions, and even I am till date inspired by them. So I would request everyone who is searching for such things and in search of such tuitions, such mentorship, then it is a right place to knock upon, because success doesn't knock your doors every time, but you can build your own door to knock it several times. Thank you.